Doesn't matter if it's last call from a late night sidewalk, little too buzz, a little too drunk.
Today, we're gonna haul some hay.
So if this is your guys' first time watching this channel, I'm Blake Bateman.
I'm Bryce Boswell.
And in this channel, we're dedicated to showing you a little bit of life on the farm. All right, so the first thing we've got to do is unhook this cattle trailer from our Freightliner and then hook it up to the flatbed. All right, now I'm gonna hop in the Freightliner with Bryce and we'll see if he's got the skills to hook it up to the flatbed. I don't. All right, we'll see if he's got it. I don't know. I don't know.
We got all this garbage on our gooseneck, so we're gonna go load it onto our hay truck so we can use the gooseneck tomorrow.
All right, guys, so most of the hay we're gonna be loading is going to be small square bales, and we like to use this hay piler for that. So we're gonna get this hay piler loaded up on the truck. All right, so we got the hay piler loaded. We also did a few other things to the truck. We checked the oil, topped off the coolant, and cleaned it all out inside. Well, Bryce mostly cleaned it out inside. So that's really nice for us when we go down tomorrow morning. We also got a few straps. Only like 20 of them, so we're not sure if we have enough yet. All right, guys, 3:30 in the morning. Let's go haul some hay. All right, guys, we just stopped this morning getting a little go-go juice. And Bryce washed the windows.
Doesn't matter if it's last call from a late night sidewalk, little too buzz, a little too drunk. You could have your hair down, all curled up on the couch, and the quiet ain't loud enough. It could be AM or PM. Trying to twist in a dusty path to nowhere, with the wind blowing through my
guy's house, and we've been driving for about 20 minutes. We're just checking the straps to make sure they're all good. For the most part, I think they're all good. We made it, guys.
Which makes the whole healthcare thing a lot easier.